Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you bed sheets, hand block screen printed bed sheets on customers' demand. You people have shown so much love in our bed sheets that we are mostly sold, and we have restocked them also. So those who haven't buy need not to worry. And on another same like on other customers' demand, they were asking for some bed sheets of less range. So we have stocked some hand block screen bed sheets of size 100 by 108. So I'm going to show you bed sheets also and block printed suits also. So we will start with bed sheets first. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the first bed sheet. You can see this is all screen printed hand block, and these are of size 100 by 108 inches. So it has a beautiful Mughal Bhuta in between with a lovely brown shade border, and it has two pillow covers. So these are very reasonably priced. So we have two shades in this print. One is with brown and coffee color, and another one you can see it's with peach green, and the base will be white. Another one again lovely. So they are mostly of white base. Due to summers, they look very cool, give a soothing look. So this is the bed sheet, and it has a thoda sa broad border, you can see. And again it is paired with two pillow covers. So these are all screen printed hand block bed sheets. This is again the one of the very lovely color. It has a lovely green shade, green and a brown block print with this border, and it too has a two pillow covers. It has a lovely design in the pillow cover too, you can see. They have made half and half design in pillow cover. Another one again in white base. So I will repeat that these are not hand block bed sheets. These are all screen printed block print bed sheets. So it is a lovely bluish grey shade with a different kind of a border. You can see it has a different border. It has 4 different colors in a single border. It has 2 lovely pillow covers. It too has Mughal flowers in between with 4-sided thin border and lovely pillow covers with Mughal Bhuta. Again, this is a very different combination. You can see it has a combination of blue and brown. So it has mustard shade too. It has royal blue and it has brown. Same in border and same in bhutas. So इसके pillow covers में you can see it has different print in the front and different print on the back side. So these are all of size 100 by 108 inches. This is again a very lovely block print with a Mughal Bhuta border. It has small prints in between with Mughal flower border, and this one too has a front side with different print and back side with different print. Another one, again the tone of brown, and you can see in this print it has lovely bird print too. So it has a tree kind of a print with parrots on it. And this set too has pillow cover with different print on front and different in the back side. This is a lovely combination of cherry, red, maroon. Those who love red colors can go for this bed sheet, and it too has a different print in the front and the back. So these were the bed sheets which I have shown you. I will repeat, these were not hand block printed. These are all screen block printed bed sheets, cotton bed sheets of size 100 by 108 inches. So now I'm going to show you block printed cotton suits with chiffon dupatta. So this is, we'll call it our Kashish collection. This is our Kashish collection. You can see these are all pure cotton suits with block prints. It has a lovely thin border which you can use on neck, sleeves, or if you don't want to, you can remove it also. So we have launched this Kashish collection with this pure chiffon dupatta. So colors and combination are same in all the suits. I'll not be opening all the suits. I'm just showing you the prints. For any suit, if you want a full image, you can just send us a screenshot or just you can DM. We'll send you the full image of that suit. They all have borders and they are all block printed with chiffon dupatta. So they have all pure chiffon dupatta. Suit sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a set of 6. You can choose any of one, though they all are lovely. So this is our Kashish collection of block printed cotton suits with pure chiffon dupatta. So for any orders, queries, you can just DM or WhatsApp on the number given in the description below. And I will like to thank you to all my clients, those who are showing us so much love. So these are the things which are like making us motivated, and keep on showing your love. So you all also stay safe. Please stay inside your home. Our boys are all fully sanitized. Those who are giving deliveries, we are all following COVID protocols. So don't you need to worry. The delivery is also going, and in local Roorkee we are giving door delivery too. So this was all for today. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.